Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, no mucking about, nice midweek, easy chicken, mushroom, tomato. Very few ingredients, tastes absolutely divine. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay then, let's get on with this one. Super easy. So, I'm using spaghetti today. You could be using any different pasta you want, something like penne, farfalle, tagliatelle, up to you. Get that cooked. I've got like sort of 3 cups of cooked pasta there, 1 can of tomatoes, they're already chopped, 1 regular sized chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut that into nice little strips, 1 onion, I'm using a red, mushrooms about 100 grams. In fact, if you look at the mushrooms, the onion and the chicken, they're roughly about the same. Tablespoon of chopped garlic, couple of tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. Here I've got 2 teaspoons of oregano and 1 teaspoon of optional chili powder, but I think it works really nicely in there. Salt, pepper, olive oil. Let's go. So I've got some olive oil in the pan. We're heating it up now. We're going to drop in our onion. Like I said, I'm using a red one. Use a different color if you want. I've cut it quite small. To that we're going to add our garlic. So we're on quite a lively heat, and I'll be back in about 2 minutes. So the onions and garlic are just taking in that oil. Next up we're going to add in our chicken breast. Like I say, no skin, no bone. Cut it nice and thin. Again, stay on this lively heat. And I'll be back in about 3 minutes or so now. Keep it moving. Wonderful stuff. Now we've cut the chicken nice and thin so it will cook really quickly. Let's now add in our mushrooms, our white fresh mushrooms. I'm going to pop in some salt and black pepper. And then again another 2 to 3 minutes, stirring pretty much all the time. Fabulous stuff. Next up, the dried oregano and the optional chili powder. I think that chili powder in there really works. It doesn't make it super spicy, but just adds a little kick. We're now going to add that 1 can of chopped tomatoes. We're going to turn the heat down now to a medium. I'm going to go to 4 to 5 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. If you wanted, you could throw a little bit of white or red wine into the mix here. I'm keeping it nice and straight like this. We are very nearly done. Fantastic. Let's just grab that little bit of Parmesan cheese, get that in. Next up, we're going to drop in our spaghetti, our cooked spaghetti. Keep it on this medium heat. I've got 2 spoons here, just find it a bit easier. We're going to mix this all in and get some heat through the spaghetti because it's cold right now. So yeah, about 2 or 3 more minutes. I'll see you at the table. And there you go. Very, very simple. No nonsense, no mucking about. That is delicious. Really, very simple, but very tasty. Hope you enjoyed that. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. That helps us out a great deal. And more importantly, do leave us a message or a comment below. We like to hear from you. We want to know that you're safe and well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on how to cook great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.